We are discussing problem 46 today based on IIT Advanced paper 2025. The topic involved for this today's problem is electromagnetic waves. Statement you can see. The number of photons in a certain cube is given was cube of unit volume, 1 unit, like this, 1 meter cube volume. Photon number is given 35 into 10 power 7 and frequency is given. The amplitude of magnetic field of waves in the cube, that is what we want. So we go first by the formula for the energy density of electromagnetic waves. Energy density of electromagnetic waves. Energy density means energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume. Unit volume. Generally we use a small u for that. Energy density U equals B naught square by 2 mu naught. Where B naught where B naught equals amplitude of magnetic field in the wave. Electromagnetic wave means it is consisting of electric and magnetic fields at right angles. So electric field has a maximum value, magnetic field also has a maximum value. So this B naught is the maximum value of the magnetic field. Magnetic field amplitude. So energy density you can express in terms of electric field as well as magnetic field. In terms of magnetic field, this is the formula. Energy per unit volume. This B naught is what we want. Amplitude of magnetic field wave of the waves in the cube. And also this information is given in the question itself. Energy of electromagnetic waves in a given volume is the total energy of all the photons. Photon energy is h into frequency. So total energy of photons in the cube. Photons in the cube is equal to number of photons times h into frequency. Frequency you can use f or Greek symbol nu as you like, h nu. H nu is the, h into frequency is the energy of a single photon. So number of photons will give you the total energy. Here mu naught is equal to, mu naught is given in the question as 4 pi into 10 minus 7. Mu naught equals 4 pi in, okay, I will substitute when we come to that step. Energy of photons is this. H is equal to Planck's constant. H equals Planck's constant, which has the value of, given value, 6 into 10 minus 34 joules second. So these values are given, h into nu. So energy of photons in the cube is, so n is given as 35 into 10 power 7 times h 6 into 10 minus 34 Now actual value of H you may see some 6 point something, but you use the value given in the question, so that their numerical answer we will get. Into nu is the frequency. Frequency is given as 10 power 15. So if you work this out, you will get 21 into 10 minus 11 joules. This we mark as energy of the photons in the cube, we mark it as E. Energy of photons in the cube is this, E equal to h nu. This U and E are same because this cube is of 1 meter cube. So energy in 1 meter cube is the energy density. So U equal to E. So after clearing some, I will continue after clearing the board. So here in this case, what we must mark as small u, energy density, is equal to E. Since cube volume is equal to 1 meter cube. Cube volume equals unit volume 1 meter cube. So that energy we calculated as E is energy density only, U is also energy density. So we equate B naught square by 2 mu naught equal to this value, what we got as NH nu, as 21 into 10 minus 11. Which implies B naught square is equal to 2 times mu naught. Mu naught is given as our value here is 4 pi into 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. Mu naught equals, we can take naught. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 minus 7. And unit is SI unit, you can Henry's per meter you can write, but in the question the given unit is another, which is T M by A. Tesla meter per ampere, that is the unit. That is also equivalent to the Henry's per meter. So 4 pi 10 minus 7 into that is 2 mu naught. So that is mu naught is okay. So this you have to simplify. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Pi equals 22 by 7. Because that is the given value in the question. So that only will give us into 2 into 21 times 10 minus 11. 21 times 10 minus this value, minus 11. So that only gives us, because the 7 and 21 are divisible, so we get 3 times, etc. This implies mu naught square, B naught square is equal to, the numerical value you get is 528, because this product is 528, see 3 times 66 into 8, equal to 10 into 10 minus 18. Square root of that will be the answer, required answer. This implies B naught equals square root of this 528 square root 10 minus 9. So that alpha into 10 minus 9 is the given value. So many Tesla. 528, if you work out the square root, it will be 22.98. 10 minus 9. Which implies our alpha which we want is equal to 22.98. 2 decimal places we have to give the answer. So this is implies alpha equals this. Alpha is equal to this being, so let me write it quickly. Implies alpha equals 22.98. This alpha value is the required answer, so you can put, you can mark your numerical answer as 22.98. So this is also a question on numerical answer. With the two decimal places, you have to express the answer. So we got the answer. There's no complication. Just only this formula you have to remember. Energy density formula you have to remember. The rest is simple. So we meet again in our next lesson with another question from the same test papers. Thank you.